Hello, I'm in a 2008 Mercedes GL, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, and French. So first you'll start the vehicle, wait for a moment for everything to load. Alright, so now that it's loaded, you'll hit System, and then in this buttons here, you'll hit this Lang, and then over here, you push down or up to scroll. So we'll scroll down, we'll say we want to change it to Spanish. You'll just push, and now it auto saves everything for Spanish now. Obviously I speak English, so I'll switch it back to English. Hit OK. That's it. It auto saves, so there's no other steps needed. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.